What else you got?
Whoa, I got candy thing. I got candy thing. Hey, look what I got. I got candy thing. Mommy, look it.
You got glitter tattoos too?
I got candy in here. 1, 2, 3. Look at Mommy. Look at these. Oh, the penguin thing in there. It's only a third thing. Let's check out this one. I got this, Mommy.
Candy.
And I got the ball.
Ooh.
It came when it lights up. Dorsey. See? It lights up, Caitlin. Ooh, look what I got now, polish. It can't remember my ball lights up. It came when the ball lights up to see in the door. Outside. I got nail polish, lipstick.
Diva.
Hey, Daddy, the ball lights up.
I know, I saw it.
What else? Is there anything else in there? Did you get it all out?
Oh, I got this too. It's in a box.
In the stocking, Cal.
Kelly, that's
Mom,
not
can
yours.
you open this? Open it.
Did you empty everything in your stocking? Are you
I
sure?
have a ball too.
Reach way down in there. See if there's anything else.
I got a ball too, and it lights up. Yeah. Look at Mommy, a soccer ball.
A football?
Oh, I got a bubble gummy, Mommy.
Wow.
And look at Daddy.
Throw it. Alright.
I got something else. It's a football. Blue, yellow. And I got blue, orange. Blue, yellow.
All right.
Everything in my stocking.
All right, now you can start opening presents.